Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update for JASMY, we are trading at 0.008612. 24-hour volume, we are up 21%, and market cap here, we are down 7%. Heading over to the chart here, I'm going to cover over 4 time intervals here for you for 1 week, our daily 2 hours and 30 minutes. Getting started on our weekly chart here, you guys, we can see that we have a very strong support here at 8169. We have been bouncing through here and continuously making a lot of higher lows, which essentially could be a continuation pattern again in a descending triangle. We are going to be testing this in the next couple of hours or so, next couple of days or so, because what we can see on our RSI is that we are going to be heading into a considerable overbought location here, which because our RSI is at 73% and 56%, as we retrace closer to 80% and price is found near the area of support, then we may actually break through it and go into our next target here at 6031. So it is a little dangerous as the price right now is near the area of support as we are retracing up here and considered to be overbought. Heading over to our daily chart here, you guys, what we can see is the price again was down bouncing between the area of support, retraced here with an increase of volume of 597 million, again all the way into a high of 0.01050. Pretty exciting to see. As we exhausted the increase of the price, we did reach an area of considered to be overbought at 100% and 77% here, again past our 80% threshold. We knew price was going to come back down, and we saw the crossover between these two candlesticks on September 10th and September 11th. So now we see is price is coming down. We can see our K line here, which is this white line, is at 19%. Keep in mind, even though we are below the 20% of our RSI, price or for the RSI can drop easily at 2% and 15% until we can see that initial oversold signal for a buying opportunity. Of course, definitely closer to an area of support. If we take a look at the price here, we could still come back down to 833 in order to see that crossover and have that very nice pullback scenario here closer to the area of support, as our MACD indicator does show a lot of weakness of the trend. The trend itself for this bull trend may be over. And again, if we are found near the area of support and switch over from the green to the red, we ultimately may break this area of support. Heading over to a 2-hour chart here, you guys, we can see a little bit more of a refined characteristics of our candlestick here, a bearish double top chart pattern, which is the infamous M, and we broke the neckline roughly around the 61% of our fib, and we saw this huge volume here of 460 million trades, and essentially this huge engulfing candlestick itself retraced closer down to 84118. So as price is going to be considered to be oversold here, we don't have a confirmation that there is a buying opportunity where we can see price being supported. And what we can see here is the initial MACD indicator at the very bottom showing still in the red, but most alarming too is the actual increase of the size of the MACD indicator, showing there is more momentum on the bear side, again closer to an area of support. Going into 30 minutes here, we can see again more refined of our candlesticks here, continuously getting rejected at the resistance line, multiple 30 minutes until this initial drop. Taking a look at the Bollinger Bands, the upper band and the bottom Bollinger Band itself is expanding higher volatility. We are going to see price move fairly quickly here in the 30-minute time frame. We have seen it kind of consolidate sideways through 61% and 78% of our fib. If we take a look at the characteristics of our candlestick, we could ultimately say this candlestick here is a hammer candlestick. The wick at the very bottom is twice the size of the actual body, which essentially is a reversal bullish candlestick coming back up, but we may retrace and hit a resistance line at the 61% if our RSI reaches again, peaks up at the 80%. Even if we did see, the price come up to 61%, we did have a buying opportunity signal here. What brought us down is these pullbacks of our MACD indicator. So again, we are going to experience, because we are in the red, we are consolidating sideways, getting rejected from the 61% fib line. And again, MACD indicator shows us that we're in the red. We are going to experience some dips in the marketplace on a short term as well. So that is my update here for Jasmy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you next time.